Hey, how's it going? This is Mr. Hernandez, and I'm going to be going over finding probabilities using the normal distribution. Now, this one is going to require this empirical reference image. So you want to have that ready whenever you're doing these probabilities. The first thing you want to notice is what the mean is. And that will basically go right in the middle, right here. And then the standard deviations will be, of course, what you fill in, right? What you add going this way and what you subtract going this way. So the mean is 34 and the standard deviation is 19. So that's what we're going to add or subtract. So here's 34. 34 plus 19 is 53. 53 plus 19 is 72. But you know what? You don't have to fill this whole thing in, because what's most important is the probability between 15 and 53. So if you want to mark that here, we're going to want 53 and 15. So we don't even need to worry about this 72 because that's not important. We're going to basically look at these two numbers and basically on the normal curve distribution, find out what the percentages would be, to add up to that. Okay, so let's go backwards then from the mean. So 34 minus 19, let's see, so that's 15. Okay, so there's the 15, right? That's the other number. So now these are the two numbers. So I'm going to actually, from this number 15, I'm going to draw a line straight up, 53, a line straight up, because those are the two values, right? 15 and 53, or you're going to want to cut this normal curve right where they meet right here. And so what we're concerned about is all the percentages in the middle, which here is 34 and 34%. So 34% and 34% is going to be 68%, right? But this is going to be you're going to need to write this as a decimal to the nearest thousandths. So that's the second decimal place. So if we wrote this as a decimal, that would be 0.68, and then this is tenths, hundredths. So we don't have to worry about rounding it because it's already there. So we're going to put 0.68. Before you do these IXLs, make sure your name is here. They're going to welcome you. If you don't have your name there, then it's not going to save your progress, and you're going to have to do it all over again. So I'm going to type that value in now. 0.68, and there it is. All right. So that's how you could do it. I wanted to just give one example and show you how you would use this empirical reference chart. Okay. All right. Good luck.